Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add new remote controller on Roku TV. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, navigate to remote controls and devices, select remote controls and add new remote controller. Then there will be a question, where is the pinhole for microphone on your remote? Is it underneath the power button or is it on the left side? Pick one of the options and then click on OK, and then it asks you to find the pairing button, which should be located where the batteries are, and then press and hold it for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode, and that way you will see the remote on the list and you'll be able to add it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.